Hey, how's it going, beginner traders? In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to open up your own individual brokerage account. You need this to start investing into stocks, and you can start investing as early as tomorrow as long as you set this up today. Now, we're going to walk you through how to open up a TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim platform. That's the software that I like to use. I think it's the best for more advanced trading. Again, it does have an application on your phone so you can trade on the go. Now, I am going to walk you through how to open up an account on a desktop because I think that's the easiest way to use it. On the phone, it's a little bit harder. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, before I start this video, first I wanted to say you guys should be extremely proud of yourselves for taking this leap of faith and starting investing and saving your money and using it wisely. Now, second, you guys should be extremely excited because this is an awesome opportunity for you guys to make extra money for a side hustle, for this to replace your entire income if this is what you want to do full time like me. And if I could do it, you guys can do it as well. So the first step, you guys want to type in tdameritrade.com. Again, that's tdameritrade.com. It should come up. And the second link, this is tdameritrade.com. Click Open New Account. Now again, this is on the desktop application. I suggest using a laptop or desktop because it's a little bit easier than doing it on the phone. Now again, this is not financial advice, but this is just what I did to get started. So first, click Individual and open an individual account. Next, you guys are going to want to fill out some personal information that I'm going to go off camera and fill it in to open a new account. Now this is going to ask you questions about your employment status, your net worth, how old you are, where you live, stuff like that. And don't be scared because this is one of the top banks in the entire world, if it's not the top bank. Now, there's millions of users like myself, so it's a completely safe software to use. Again, I would not be frightened to use this software because this is a huge corporation. Now, my good friend in the Discord was able to provide me this photo, and this is the last question it's going to ask you, and I just wanted to tell you guys what I chose when it came to asking this question. Now, my students and I chose a margin account over a cash account. I have videos on my Instagram and YouTube to explain the difference between the two, but I highly suggest margin account. Again, this is just my personal opinion. So I selected standard tier 2 margin and margin privileges. Again, I don't do any options. I just buy and sell stocks. If you guys are just getting started, I highly suggest not trading options because it is the highest form of stock trading that there is, and you can make enough money just buying and selling stocks like I do. Now, there you have it. Hopefully, you guys have successfully opened up your own margin trading account. Now, again, I use margin. You can use cash, but my students and I currently use margin. Now, if you didn't have any luck opening up a margin account, it could be because you guys already have one with a different brokerage service. Now, you're only allowed to have one margin account under the same social, so you might want to figure that out. I don't know why else you would get denied. Maybe you want to change a few settings and retry again in a few months. I did have one individual have to mail some paperwork in, so if you guys have an issue like that, DM me. I can DM that individual, that student that had to do that, and I can get you guys in touch. But other than that, let's start funding this account so we can start trading. Now, the last thing is you want to make sure you download the Thinkorswim software. It's right on their website. It should give you an option right as you complete your account. Now, this is a software you're going to load up in every single day and trade from. It also has an application on your phone. I know it's a big question. It has an app. It's called Thinkorswim. Download the app, log in, and you guys should be good to go. Now, I know there's a few ways to fund your account. So once you're logged into tdameritrade.com, go to Fund My Account, and you can use a bank account using your bank account number and your routing number. You can use a credit card. There's a few options on there. So make sure to go around, explore a little bit, and see what option is best for you. I just hooked up my own bank account. It's the quickest way to do it, in and out, and that's just what I do. So once your account is made, it's funded, and you've downloaded the Thinkorswim platform, it's time to go to the next step, and I'll see you guys in the very next video.